Withdrawing funds held by Xbox can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app and sign in using the Microsoft account link to your Xbox profile. Ensure you have access to the account to proceed. Step 2. Navigate to Payment and Billing. Once signed in, locate the Payment and Billing section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment options and view your account balance. Step 3. Check your account balance. In the Payment and Billing section, check your account balance to confirm the amount of funds available for withdrawal. Make sure that the funds are eligible for withdrawal and not tied to any ongoing subscriptions or purchases. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. Look for an option to withdraw or transfer your funds. This may vary based on your region, so ensure you follow the prompts that apply to your account. Step 5. Complete the withdrawal process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should successfully withdraw your funds from your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for assistance.